Hello and good morning. Welcome to your Next Car YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous 330i M Sport we have in. Presenting mineral white, which is the pearlescent white. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of its features and options, as well as giving you a close look at its condition, service history. Let's take a look around. So this particular model is a 2-litre petrol, twin turbo, 260 brake horsepower. So don't be confused by its 330i badging. It's still a 2-litre model. Really good performance as it's a twin turbo, yet fuel efficiency as it's a 2-litre. So it's 8-speed automatic, presenting mineral white, which you should just be able to get a glimmer of that. The Alpine white is almost flat. This is a pearlescent sort of 3-stage pearl. Really nice. We've of course fitted some exterior styling upgrades, gloss grille, 3-piece front splitter, and these gorgeous 20-inch wheels. Gloss plat sidebars, M Performance logo on the side. Staggered wheels, so wider on the rear, giving it a really good stance. High gloss rear spoiler. And this beautiful 3-piece rear diffuser with the F1 brake light. Quad exhaust tips, which are cosmetic, look really good. All in all, a very tidy car. Let's take a look at the boot. Very generously sized, and with the option of having the folding seats as well. Original mats present as well. Black leather ISOFIX rear bench with a central armrest. All electric windows, electric mirrors and electric folding mirrors. Interior lighting pack. Heated front seats with lumbar support. And of course, being the new Generation 3 series, it has this absolutely gorgeous digital dash. You'll see the service indicator flagged up there in 2,900 miles. We have booked it in for a service at our local Sytner garage, so the car will have full BMW main agent service history. This still has manufacturer's warranty until July 2023. Touchscreen navigation system, Bluetooth audio, media playback, DB radio of course, USB and USB fast charging. Let's take a look at the service info. So there you see the vehicle check and engine oil is due very shortly, so that will be done here at Sytner Nottingham prior to sale, and then it'll have 3 entries on the iDrive. The first one was at 10,000 miles, so complete main dealer service history. Really tidy car. The interior lighting colour is set to blue currently. There is a range of options on that. HP and PCP available. We work with a variety of lenders. If you're sourcing your funding elsewhere, that's not a problem for us as well. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate your time. Thank you.